Hello friends! Did you know that the average adult will spend the equivalent of 20 years of their lives staring at laptop screen, according to a poll? With so much time spent in the laptop, you'd expect it to function like a well-oiled machine. In comparison to a desktop PC, laptops are more likely to be damaged, and once it's been damaged, it's much more expensive and time-consuming to repair. So why not take precautions right away to avoid laptop damage? To assist you, we came with 5 solid tips and suggestions for keeping your laptop in good working order and avoiding damage. Let's see the first tip. Be extra careful when eating or drinking near your laptop. If you spill coffee, juice, or water on your laptop, you may have to spend $15 on a generic replacement, or the motherboard may short out. So be careful while working in cafes, in your bed, or on dining tables. To avoid any mishaps, keep your coffee mugs and juice glasses away from the laptop. You should also keep children away from the device if they are playing around it. The second tip is: maintain the battery's coolness. Lithium batteries wear out no matter what you do these days. But you can extend their life by avoiding overheating and overuse. For this, you can shut down or hibernate your laptop after certain durations or remove the battery for a while. This will give the battery some time to cool down and will increase its durability. Let's see the third tip. Find the proper laptop case. You must properly pack the laptop before taking it on the road. This is dependent on how you prefer to carry your belongings. As a result, look for a carrying case, backpack, or shoulder bag with a padded section, specifically designed for a laptop. We advise to wear a backpack because it distributes your weight evenly, which is better for your spine. Tip number 4. When at home, use your laptop as a desktop computer. You can plug in a full-size monitor, keyboard, and mouse while working at your home desk. This protects your laptop from falling down and also helps you to create a clean and organized look for your desk. Tip number 5. Take time to carefully clean your keyboard. When keys start sticking and clicking becomes difficult, it's time to clean your laptop thoroughly. To do so, first turn off the computer, then open it and turn it upside down while gently tapping it on the back to allow small crumbs to fall out. After that, blow out anything stuck inside the keys with a can of compressed air. Also, be gentle with the laptop and avoid any panic that could result in damage. We hope these 5 simple tips will assist you in keeping your laptop in good working order. However, if your laptop develops a serious problem, you will require the services of a professional who can repair your laptop and get it working again. This is all we have for you in this video. To get more top tips videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to see next. Please do also smash the bell icon so you will be aware when our new video publish. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.